Sisi wenu ngubani?
Mina nguthabani Dale.
Thabani Dale. Hlala lapho wenzani empilweni?
Mina managing director we Artistic Brands. Artistic Brands, we do corporate branding. Corporate branding is when we brand promotional items, clothing, giveaways that companies want to give away to their customers.
So lapho uthama company nxa befuna ukwenza lokho babuya kuwe.
Yes, like for example, I'm just giving an example, PPC. So if they've got their PPC marathon, that's when we come in, we provide the regalia for the marathon and the giveaways. Okay. All branded.
So manje kade uzosebenza lokho ngesikhathi lesi sinje secorona kunjani kuye business?
Hayi kunzima because there is no company that has a budget for advertising and marketing. Yeah.
Right. Sikhangele umkhuhlane wecorona lo unjani? Sokwabona abantu ngaba ogulayo?
No, I'm so scared to even come in contact, to even leave the house without a mask. So that's why I have my mask on. As you can see, I'm also trying to promote my brand. That's why I'm wearing a branded mask.
So your brand yakho ye company yakho le?
Yes, it's Artistic Brands.
Okay. So wena utshela abantu sifuna ukuthi batshele ngesintu bezwe kona ngalokuthi benzeni bayehlatshwa yini abantu?
Yes, abantu kumele bayehlatshwa sibili. Mina, I was one of the first people to go and get vaccinated. Ngenxa yokuthi umkhuhlane lo mkhulu sibili and uyabulala, especially this new variant ayilama symptoms. So it's best to be vaccinated than to be sorry.
Okay, baphindela abantu ukuthi bakuthole ngaphi ungahambi?
Thina Artistic Brands sise-Sunningdale building. That's where we do our branding.
Website or Facebook or la?
Website, we are on artistic-brands.com. That's our website. Facebook is Artistic Brands. Twitter is Artistic Brands. LinkedIn is Artistic Brands.
Then the rest.
And then I'll do the rest, yeah.
Okay,